watching the Thomas Season 25 trailer, because it just came out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Link, why are you watching Thomas? Now, the thing is, when I was a young little boy, I used to watch Thomas all the time. The classic Thomas. The one when they had the models running around. Now, I heard that they completely wrecked this because it's 2D animated now. So let's see how bad it is.
Here comes Thomas!
What the f***?
Like you've never seen him before.
What the
All new 2D animated look. And
Ew!
wild adventures. Thomas and his friends are
What the hell?
new
What is
Thomas
this?
Fans.
Who's that?
Thomas is the hero of every
What the f***?
Always trying to be the best little engine I can be.
And his
What?
friends Percy.
Ew!
Con-
Ew!
and
What the?
Diesel
Wait,
are-
go back! Wait, I saw something! Wait!
And his friends Percy, Nia, Con-
Who the hell is that? We don't want f***ing bullet trains! What the hell? What the hell? I thought Thomas was just steam trains! And diesels! What the hell? Is this Shinkansen shit? What the hell have they done? This is not how I remembered it!
and learning together on the island of Sodor.
Kill me, please!
As Thomas and friends embark on their wildest, silliest, most musical series yet.
Oh, it's gonna be musical too!
Coming October 2021.
Oh, it's coming out for Halloween!